Hey there, health enthusiasts! Did you know that honey can improve immune function by a whopping 40%? Yes, you heard it right. Get ready to revitalize your health with the power of honey in today's video. Did you know that honey can improve immune function by a whopping 40%? Yes, you heard it right. Get ready to revitalize your health with the power of honey in today's video. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonders of natural remedies. Today, we're diving into the topic of revitalize your health with the power of honey. Natural remedies have always been a cornerstone of traditional medicine, and honey is no exception. Let's delve into the myriad health benefits of honey. Not only is it a natural sweetener, but it also boasts antioxidant properties that can help combat oxidative stress in the body. Additionally, honey is known for its wound healing capabilities, making it a go-to remedy for minor cuts and burns. And let's not forget its soothing effects on the throat, making it a popular choice for relieving coughs and colds. Picture this: a surprising study showcasing the transformative power of honey in improving overall health and well-being. Imagine the possibilities of incorporating this golden elixir into your daily routine and witnessing firsthand its remarkable effects on your health. To sum it up, honey is not just a sweet treat, but a powerhouse of health benefits. From its antioxidant properties to its wound healing and soothing effects, honey can truly work wonders for your well-being. So why not make honey a staple in your daily health regimen? As we wrap up today's video, I encourage you to start incorporating honey into your diet and experience its health-boosting effects for yourself. Share your experiences with us in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos on natural remedies for more tips on enhancing your health naturally. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.